Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a combination of things. I sat down wanting to correct how tired I looked, and we kind of ended up recreating a filter that's going around on TikTok. So if you guys want to see how to get this look right here, then keep on watching. I am tired. This is my first time filming in the evening, so anything can happen. I was testing out some skincare for the app FlipFit. It kind of broke me out. I am almost in the clear. It has been like a battle for the past week to get my skin back, but I do have, this isn't raised anymore. It was like a really bad under the skin breakout, but I have gotten it down, down, down. It's not raised at all. It's just a little red. And I've been taking care of my sweet little puppy because she had her spay surgery, so I haven't been sleeping too much and I've got a little skin issue. So I thought, you know what, let's do a video on how to make it look like you had so much sleep and you have flawless skin. And this kind of reminded me, so I was on TikTok and that glow filter, it kind of makes it look like you have like false lashes and like freckles. People are doing that like transition with the like Build a Bitch song. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. And they go from that to like no makeup. And I think it's supposed to be like, love the skin you're in, girl, which yes, amen, hello, I agree with that. But I kind of want to do that with a twist. I want to recreate the makeup that the filter gives you, and that's gonna be my end of my TikTok. So I'm gonna make the TikTok and maybe I'll put it right here. I think it's gonna be kind of fun. So it's just kind of giving you a little lash. Looks like a slight wing, but in general it's pretty basic, which is what I wanted to do today. So let's focus on making the skin even out first, since that's kind of like the big issue. Okay, so if the first part of that video you hear some humming, I apologize. I'm going to use the NYX pore filler, and this is my holy grail for when I just want to look like whoop, you know, like flawless. And ironically, this is the flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's so good. I know a lot of people use this for red carpets. It just gives you a very healthy, beautiful glow, makes your skin look so nice. This pore filler kind of comes out gross. It doesn't look the best, but it's gonna help us out. I really just focus this on my cheeks and my nose and right here. So I would call it my lowercase T-zone. I'm really excited to be doing the thing with FlipFit. I haven't talked about it here on my channel yet, but I am an ambassador with them. I'm gonna put my link down below. If you download the app, you get to support me, so that's pretty fun. Basically, it's just like short form video content reviews that you can buy the products directly in the app, which is so cool. By the way, I'm gonna put on this Becca under eye brightener really quick. The team there is really supportive, and so far I've had a very positive experience working with them. So if y'all wanna give it a go, use my code. Okay, now let's go in with the flawless filter. Oh, what I was saying, I get a little frustrated though. I knew this was gonna happen. I have really sensitive skin, like really picky skin. And so I was like, oh God, like if I have to review skincare, like it's game over. I knew this was gonna happen to me. I knew I was gonna break out. I just didn't think it would happen so fiercely. I think I was allergic to something in the mask I used. It was pretty heavily fragranced. I should have known right off the bat, but you know, I wanted to give it a try. I had like little bumps like all over my face, and it wasn't breakouts, they were just like little allergy bumps. And as somebody who gets allergic reactions often, I am very aware of what that looks like. I've gotten it taken care of, thank you to my wonderful skincare routine. Now that I look like the Tin Man, I think we need to get to covering up some of these issues. So I really love the NARS Soft Matte to cover any kind of blemish, and I usually take this really crusty Sephora brush and I go in with that and I kind of place it, and then I'll rub it in with usually my finger. So I've tapped that in. So we're gonna go for like a simple moment. I'm gonna go in with the infamous Good Apple foundation. I haven't really picked it up since like the first week I had it, so let's see if it's good like everybody said it was, or if we were just all drinking that Kool-Aid. I think it's a little more luminous than I like for my foundations, but that's what we're going for today, so we will give it a pass. All right, so a brightening tip that I have is going to be for your concealer. I have two shades with me. I have my normal under eye concealer shade, and then I have a pure white, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So I am pretty blessed. I don't have super dark circles. However, I am really tired today. I have the brightener on right now, but you could probably tell I haven't been getting a lot of sleep. So I'm going to take my normal concealer shade first and place that like right here, and everything is going to go up, and then going to put the white right here. And now obviously not everybody is going to be as pasty as me, so you don't need to go in with a pure white. Just go in with something that I would say like 2 or 3 shades lighter than your normal concealer, and this will have the same effect. So we're going to blend the darker bit first and then do the white. Really just kind of focusing it right in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna use a brightening under eye powder, and that's gonna be from KimChi. It's got the lavender tint to it. You can't really see the lavender, but it's there. It's bright, right? Just, can you tell? Once everything else is on, you're really gonna tell. Okay, and then I'm gonna set the rest of the face with my Mercier powder, an oldie but a goodie. You feel like you really want more coverage on a breakout, I'm gonna suggest you take a foundation powder, and then you're gonna just focus out on the areas that you need the most help. For me, I really love this Makeup Forever powder. I think it's a beautiful finish, and I'm going to take it on a foundation brush from I think this is, yeah, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and I'm really just gonna put it anywhere. So like I said, I had that one on my chin. Let's do the eyes. I got this for my birthday from Sephora. It's like a mini Laguna bronzer, and I think it's kind of too deep for my face, but I think this is going to be a good little shadow for today. So let's give that a go. Okay, I'm going to go a little deeper with the brown. I'm going to get a tinier brush. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Lash Lift from the Bottle Blonde. It is black, and that's going to be the liner since it looks really soft in the photo, and it's just like a really tiny wing. Not perfect, but they're nice and shadowy, which is what we wanted. Okay, let's do the bronzer slash blush situation. I'm gonna use the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It smells like vacation. I think it smells like sunscreen, not in a negative way, but every time I say that it smells like sunscreen, people are like, ew. But it's because I use that like Sunbum sunscreen, so it's very coconutty, and I think that's what and the filter really is all like right here on the middle of the face. And then a little bit of orange blush from Trixie Cosmetics in Plush Bunny. Okay, I think I'm gonna try freckles. My camera overheated. I did not do anything that I haven't showed you guys before. I just put on mascara and brows, little lash. Guess I'll use this brown from the Barbie palette. I'm literally just going for it, you guys. Now, this looks crazy. Well, they certainly don't look natural. It's not the worst thing. They're just pretty, like, they're too symmetrical. You know, this side looks better. We're just gonna go with it because they are pretty, like, dramatic on the app. Let's do the lip. I am gonna overline because I think it makes your lips bigger in the app. Low key, you guys, that's the freaking color. This was the Malibu Barbie. I think this is it. Maybe it needs a little more blush or bronzer. Y'all, I think I did it. Okay, I'm gonna maybe change my hair. I should. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my TikTok. I'll be right back. And here is how it turned out. I don't think it's a carbon copy of the filter. I would call this like basic corrective makeup. So maybe that's why so many people are liking this. It does really bring focus to the eyes with how minimal it is, but it's effective because it makes your lashes look really nice. And the lip color, I would say this is pretty universally friendly on everyone's lips because it's a neutral. And just the bronze makes it look like you were out in the sun. So I understand the hype. I think this is actually really cute. I would do this again, probably without the freckles. I just think they don't look very good. It was my first attempt and we can only get better from here. Thank you guys so much for being here. As always, I am almost at 200 subscribers. I'm like 3 away or something, which is bananas. I am so grateful to all of you who subscribe to my channel, watch my videos every week. It really makes me so happy. That being said, if you have not subscribed, please do that today. Get me to that 200, and then I can do a special little video for that. Comment down below if you are going to try this or if you like that filter, because I want to know. And if you kind of like this idea of doing makeup based on filters or anything else from TikTok, comment down below what you want to see me do. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye!